Hello, my name's Colin, I'm from HDCCTV. This is the XVISION X400R 16-channel high-definition network video recorder. Let's take a look at some details and specification. This is a full HD 16-camera NVR. You have up to 6 terabyte storage capability in there. You have a USB backup socket that will either take a memory stick or a hard drive. It's got VGA and HDMI monitor output, push video, 3G mobile phone viewing, and also PC and Mac applications. On the rear you have a USB socket there for the mouse that comes included with the recorder, mic in and out for audio, your network connection, HDMI and VGA monitor connections, RS232, as well as alarm in-outs and your power supply and power switch. Controlling and setting up the NVR is very simple. The easiest way is to plug in the USB mouse that's applied into the back of the unit and use the graphic on-screen interface, or you can use the supplied remote control, or of course the buttons on the front of the device. It can also be controlled remotely using any web browser or the supplied software and set up that way. Let's now have a look at the X400R in use. Okay, so to add cameras to it, you right click with the mouse, select remote device and then IP search, and you'll see then a list of devices. Choose the manufacturer that says private, tick the boxes, the cameras you want, and click add. You'll then see at the bottom the cameras appear, the status light turns green, and there they are on screen. Playing back your recording is very simple with the X400R. You right click again, select search, choose a single camera view, pick the camera you want, pick the date you want, and you'll see a bar along the bottom of the screen from 0 to 24 hours. You can then select an hour you want to see, and you can see the recording there, or you can select the little drag bar and you can drag it across and see the changes in real time. So you can see there's something's happened at 8 o'clock. We can drag right across the day and quickly see what's happened on that camera at any time. Backing up to USB is very simple on the X400R. Simply insert a USB stick to the front USB socket, play back the clip using the play method, find the start of the clip you're looking for, and hit the video clip button to the left of the timer. Then you can either play the clip through or drag the bar to the right until you've got to the end of the clip, and then hit the video clip button again. Once you've done that, that enables the save button there on the bottom right hand corner. Press that and that will then bring up a dialog box showing you the USB stick you're using and the files you'll be backing up. Select the files you want to keep, back up, and then hit the start button, and that then goes through the process of backing up the file. With this NVR you've got an assortment of screen views you can have. You can have a single camera view for a full screen view of any camera. You can have a four-way view for a quad view, and you can choose which cameras to have. There's an 8-way view which has got one large screen and 7 other smaller ones. If you want to see the big one, just drag and drop into any space. You can drag any screen to any position at any point. There's a 9-way view which are all the same size, and then finally we've got a 16-way view showing all cameras in the system. You can change the settings for each camera. Go to the Setting and Encode menu, and you can change the resolution depending on what camera you've got. You've got different options of resolutions, and you can change frame rate as well as bitrate type for both the mainstream and the extra stream. Let's talk about bandwidth. The maximum bandwidth the X400R can handle is 32 megabits per second. This might not mean much to you, but to give you an example, a 1080p camera giving 25 frames a second uses 8 megabits a second. A 720p camera uses approximately 4 megabits a second. Using these camera examples, it looks like this NVR could only handle 4 1080p or 8 720p cameras. This is not true. By reducing the frame rate, more cameras can easily be added. For example, halving the frame rate to 12.5 frames a second, the required bandwidth is halved. Something else to remember when working out your requirements is whenever you remotely view this NVR, it's using bandwidth to send the images to you. This is taking off the total amount of bandwidth available. In our range we have other NVR models that have higher bandwidth capabilities. These may be more suitable if you need to add more HD cameras or if you need higher frame rates. So there's a quick overview of the XVISION X400R 16 channel NVR. It's available for sale now on our website, HDCCTV.co.uk, or you can call us on 01952 505 696. Thanks very much.